Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the funding pips and what are the things that you have to be kind of like aware of and things that you don't read like anywhere else in a way. So you're gonna have like multiple things here. You're gonna have like 0, 1 step or like 2 step options here. And let's say we're gonna go for the 25k here. And then you're gonna have like the student, practitioner and master, where you're gonna have the profit target that like also that you can change. And maximum loss is going to be 10%, and daily loss you're gonna have 5% on each. Let's say we're gonna go for the 2 step, and then you're gonna have like minimum trading days. And for 1 step, like those things are like changes, or 0 you're gonna have it like that. So this is something that you actually see, and also the price then also changes here. Now when we're gonna go even further, so what are the rules, like the behavior that you have to like follow? So no hedging or opposite side hedging. This is like the first thing. Also expert advisors and automations, so allowed only if they trade as a trade or risk managers. Prohibited strategies, so if you're going to for like high frequency trading, or you're gonna have the kind of like service spamming or toxic trading flow, arbitrage, like going all in, tick scalping, that's something they don't like. Also trades open close around major news events, like within 5 minutes before and after, might have profits excluded. Also, so you want to have like the same IP region, like not using VPN. And then responsible trading policy, so like having a discipline in the way. So the advantages that you have like a lot of things that you actually like can do. Reasonable low entry costs, profit split can reach 100% with consistent performance, a variety of platforms. You can have like MT5, C trader, match trader, so that's also good that you can like see right here. And this is like the trading view. And the things that are kind of like the cons that I also read everywhere and like on different sites, and what kind of you have to be aware of are these, right? Is that they're like inconsistent rules and conditions. So it's like going to change the rules or being inconsistent with the models, and you can like change also the trading cycle. So also the spread and slippages, this is something that you have to be also aware of. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. And yeah, it's still good. I mean, like you can test it out, but these are the things that you have to be aware of. So have a great day and goodbye.